Hello guys, today I will be teaching you how to convert binary into decimal. I will be giving you two different ways of converting binary to decimal. So my first way, let me just give you a question. 111,0,0,110. So this is our binary question. So they want us to convert this into a decimal. In order to do this, our first way could be just getting this number and putting it vertically, which is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, as you can see. Now what we do is we just get this number and multiply it by 2, since it's a binary number. So we just go multiply by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. After we do this, we just square by 0, 1, 2, 3. We just do 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 6, 7. So we go from 0 all the way up to 7. Now what we do is we just multiply all this. So let's multiply all this. So let's just leave 0 by itself. Let's just do 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1. Let's just find this first. So what we do is 2 to the power 0. I know the answer, I just want to make sure. So 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, it's 8. We just copy the first number down. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 1 times 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power 6 is 64. 2 to the power 7 is 128. As you can see, I copied all these numbers down. I didn't even touch them yet. I just found the answer for these. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. And then after all this, now we can multiply all of these. So 0 times 1 is 0. That's 2, 4, 0, 0, 32, 64, 128. Now we have all this number here. Now our last step is just to add all these numbers. So 128 plus 64 plus 32. We don't have to add these zeros because it's 0. 32, so we add 4 plus 2. And we get 230. And this is our decimal. So 111,0,0,110 is 230 in decimal. So our second way, this is a little bit easier. Let me just get another paper. This is a bit easier. I recommend you guys doing this way. So same question, 111,0,0,110. It's the same question as before, but now what we do is you just copy this number down. So what we do is we start from 1, then we go 2, and we just multiply by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. And 64 times 2 is 128. This is your formula. Just think of it like that. This is your formula. So now it's really easy. What you do is you just get 1. So this starts from like this is 128, this is 64, this is 32, this is 0. Like it keeps on going like this because there's 8 numbers here and there's 8 numbers here, as you can see. So now what we do is we just copy these numbers down. So 1, the first one is 1. 1, second one is 1. 1, this is 1. 0, that's 0. 0. 1, 1, 0. That's it. Now what we do is the ones that has 1, all the numbers that have 1, we just add them. That's it. The ones that have 0, we don't add them. That's all you do. So 120 here has 1, plus 64 has 1, plus 32 has 1, plus 16 has 0, so we don't add 16. 8 has 0, so we don't add 8. 4 has 1, we add 4. 2 has 1, we add 2. 1 has 0, so we don't add it. So now we just add all these numbers. 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 4 plus 2. And we get 230 again. And that's our answer. Thank you very much.